One of my favorite things about working at Picturepark is that when someone has a good idea, the conversation goes to how do we implement the good idea instead of why we shouldn't implement it or why it would be expensive to do so. I think that shows in the Picturepark product, and it definitely shows in the company's culture, and it's one of the reasons I like working here.
I would say that certainly one of the best things about Picturepark is the amazing team that they've been able to compose. Very talented, very young, very innovative. Looking at Picturepark's existence, which is short in the DAM industry, they've been able to accomplish a whole lot in a very short space, being able to offer a very powerful and scalable solution.
I'm now here for about 2.5 years, and it is a company with great people, and yeah, I love to work here.
The best thing about Picturepark, I think, is that we all want to achieve the best, and all people feel responsible for the product. And I mean, the company is really full of people who really feel responsible. So they go to work and they want to make the best out of everything, and that's really, really a wonderful thing. So that's what I like most about it.
Picturepark, the company itself, is an exciting environment to work with because people are engaged. There's many employees that are just professional in what they're doing, and there's just everyone is striving to provide exceptional results. And this then, in my opinion, results in Picturepark, the software product, which is an extremely scalable solution in, I'd say, in many dimensions.
The favorite thing about working at Picturepark for me is the family. That we stick together, we try to help each other, and we also try to help our customers. That's for me also part of the family, and we want to have everybody happy.
I think Picturepark is a very reliable and easy to use software application, which is not only a software, it solves issues and it solves certain tasks which we're always facing with a lot of international clients. It's not only when you call it an easy solution, that it's sort of like also easy in terms of what it's capable of doing. It's still like an easy and reliable solution which offers a lot of enterprise functionalities.
I think Picturepark is very user-friendly, has a easy-to-use user interface, very intuitive, and we're extending the functionalities at every corner so people can make use of it.
Picturepark's retention rate is over 99%. Amazing in this market space for any industry. I would say that has to do with the attention to detail in the product, the high level of service provided by our very talented support, marketing, and sales staff.
One of the things that impressed me most about Picturepark was the customer's testimonial page on the website. In some cases, you can see something like this, and you've got 1 or 2 or 5 different customers talking about the software. In the case of Picturepark, you have an entire array of customers who are willing to say something nice about the software and the company. And to me, that said not only something about the company's commitment to them, but their appreciation of the company. And when I saw that, I thought, this is a company I'd like to be associated with.
My favorite thing about Picturepark is that you can configure it the way you need it, not configure it the way the product has to be.
I would say Picturepark comes at an affordable price point for what it really delivers. It's an enterprise value system that scales with regard to the function it provides and the technology, well, from lower segments, lower or mid scale companies up to the enterprise segment. It has an underlying technology which just allows to provide a variety of solutions and to integrate well into other ecosystems, other solutions on the market.
The feedback I get from customers about the system is that the ease of use, the flexibility and scalability of the system is quite popular. That, of course, it's able to offer a very powerful cloud solution, but as well as an on-premise. And more importantly, that it's based on technology that they use today,
I think Switzerland has a long-standing position with regard to design, especially in the font face things in the earlier years of the last century. And Switzerland stands, of course, for quality. And this is something that people expect from us. This is something that we try to achieve each and every day in here. But Switzerland has something other to offer. I mean, if we look back at the history, we're always trying to stay kind of neutral. We try to balance powers. And this brings us into the position where we want to achieve fair relationships with all the stakeholders, be it customers, partners, or internally here, our employees.